Hi everyone, this is Elena from KU Crease, and today we're going to be talking about Russian numbers. Here on the board, I have the Russian letters on the left, and on the right, I have the English transliteration, or how it's pronounced. So let's start with 1 through 5. Number 1 is Adin. Repeat after me, Adin. If it helps you, you can look at the English as well. Adin. Next we have 2, or Dva. Dva. Repeat after me. Dva. Next is the number 3. Tri. Repeat after me. Tri. This is similar to the English word tree, but you roll your R's a little more. Tri. Next is 4. Четыре. This one's a little bit more difficult, so let's break it down. Четыре. Repeat after me. Четыре. Good job. And finally, 5. Пять. Пять. Again, take a look at the English. Пять.
And now we'll go through numbers 6 through 10. Starting with number 6. In Russian, it is pronounced шесть. Шесть. Repeat after me. Шесть. Number 7. Семь. Семь. Repeat after me. Семь. After that, we have number 8. It sounds a lot like семь, but you add the prefix vo to it. Восемь. Восемь. Notice here that the stress is on the first letter O. Восемь. Number 9. Девять. Девять. Repeat after me. Девять. Девять. And number 10 is also very similar. Десять. Десять. Repeat after me. Десять. This is number 10 in Russian. Like this. You're putting your number on 10. Let's start from the beginning. Do you guys remember the word for number 1? Один. In order to make 11, you just add the suffix нацать. Одиннадцать. Одиннадцать. Repeat after me. Одиннадцать. 11. The same is true for два, only the letter changes a little bit just to make it flow better within the word. 12. Двенадцать. Двенадцать. Repeat after me. Двенадцать. 12. The same is true for 3. Три. Тринадцать. Тринадцать. Repeat after me. Тринадцать. Now we'll move on to 14. The same is also true. Четыре becomes четырнадцать. Четырнадцать. It drops the final e in четыре to make it easier to say. Repeat after me. Четырнадцать. And then finally, we have 15. Пятнадцать. Пятнадцать. As you remember, number 5 is пять, but in this case, because the stress moves to the middle, that ah sound turns to an I. Пятнадцать.
Alright guys, you've done a great job so far. Now we're on to our last 5 numbers, 16 through 20. So just like Mason talked about before, you have the 1 through 10 stem, and then you add nацать, or on 10. So let's start with 16. Шестнадцать. Шестнадцать. Repeat after me. Шестнадцать. Next we have 17. Семь, like 1 through 7, and нацать. Семнадцать. Try looking at the English transliteration or pronunciation. Семнадцать. Great job. 18. 18. This is just like 17, what you just did, but you add in the prefix vo. 18. Repeat that after me. 18. Great job. Now we have 19 and 20. These are a bit more tricky because they sound similar, but pay close attention to the first part of each word. For 19 we have 19. Repeat after me. 19. Good job. And now 20. Now there's no na in 20. It's just 20. 20. Now you can remember this by saying dva, like 2, and sat, like we talked before about being 10. So it's like 2 tens, or 20. Repeat after me. 20. Good job.
Now that we've learned the Russian numbers, let's learn a popular phrase that utilizes these numbers in everyday speech. The phrase is, how old are you? Or literally translated into Russian, how many, сколько, years, лет, to you, тебе. The question goes like this, сколько тебе лет? Repeat after me, сколько тебе лет? Great job. And now, to respond to this question, you would say мне, to me, how many years old you are, plus лет. For example, мне 20 лет.
That means I am 20 years old. So let's practice that. Mason, сколько тебе лет?
Мне 20 лет.
This means, Mason, how old are you? I'm 20 years old.
Elena, сколько тебе лет?
Мне 18 лет.
And that means that she is 18 years old.
Great job, you guys. Now why don't you try it? Сколько тебе лет? Alright everyone, you've done a great job so far. So let's play a game. Go ahead and get out a device that can access the internet and Kahoot, and type in kahoot.it. Your teacher will pull up a link on the board and have you make up a username. Now what you're going to do is you're going to play a game about Russian numbers. There are 2 types of questions. The first type of question is true or false. It will say the Russian number equals and then the English equivalent. For example, 18 equals 18. That would be true. The second type of question is multiple choice. This means it will say, what is 3? And down below you'll have 2 to 4 options. So you would select 3 for 3. Good luck everyone!